guy's on his way to explain all the rules.
Yeah, see, hang tight. We ain't getting in.
I guess it's a good thing to make sure your boats float.
Pick up one end of it, and I'll give you a lock. Upside down. You think it's fine? You know what I mean? Pick up one end of it.
Yeah, I'm sitting on it. Yeah. Yeah, don't forget our support bag when you go.
We make fun of it, but it looks like that thing's gonna have some speed. The safety boat will follow you.
Alright, let's get you in.
Alright.
Come on, Chris. Oh, I got it.
Don't drag it.
Here, pick this part up. Take it off.
Yeah, don't go in the rocks either.
You gonna be able to get in?
Yep. Might have to stop me from hitting the bottom when I get in. Got it stable?
Yep.
Hey, Chad, you gonna come get a mic?
How's the balance?
Not good.
It's gonna be tipping.
So quit tipping me.
I'm just checking it out. If I
Would you quit tipping me?
no, I'm not tipping you. You're not down. You're floating too much.
These guys taking up now.
Alright, here we go.
Well, you're gonna tip. All right, here you go. Look at you tipping.
What did you do?
Get the water in there. Get the water in there. Chad.
Okay, tip me up.
Need more water?
Nope. Yep.
You're still high. That's what we're doing.
Good. Tip her up. Is that better? How's that?
I can give you a push. You're
Give me a
gonna tip,
push. Let go of me. Just let.
though. Here you go.
Greg's paddle doesn't float. We need a little more water.
Well, at least you'll have. What are you gonna do? We need more water.
Okay.
Now, with your weight on it, that might be enough.
You got a knife? We'll get some water to the backside.
Poke it somehow. You got anything? Hurry up, Chris. We're ready to start.
Oh, it should be going underneath though. We lost the tail. Oh, we took the tail off. Just throw it here. Fucking rocks hurt my feet.
I guess we should have checked for buoyancy first. Just push it.
paddle might get lost at sea.
Alright, let's get to the water.
Well, let me get in.
There you go. That might get you down where you need to be. How's that now?
Tippy.
What if we get more water in here? You need more water. Here, let's tip it.
I don't know, but I fucked my foot up on the 2x4. Okay.
Hey, you gonna make her?
Nope.
Let's get more water in there.
Give me the knife back. Put a hole in the fucking bottom, in the back. I need to get the back in the water.
Chris, put a hole in the bottom.
Need a hole in the back.
Come on, they're ready to start. We're not even here yet. We're finishing the race.
Hurry up. Got it? Okay.
Alright, what's this do for you? Can you keep it stable now?
No.
Alright, what's this do? If you're moving, you try.
No. Because I'm not going to be moving the whole time. Got a hole in the front? Give me some in the front. Push your front down. Push your front down. Care if the whole thing's underwater. I'm going. Ride with me. Yeah, sit on. Yes, sit on it. There we go. Come on, sit right up here. Straddle it. Come on, hurry up.
Here, put a little more water in it.
Just sit on it. Sit on it. Come on.
I need a life preserver.
Yeah, I told him to sit on the front. Let's go.
You're stable now. Give her.
Push me over there. Sit on the front. Just sit on the front, Tim. And it's not it. Let me sit on it. Yeah. Yes. Will you help me get it in? It's over my head here. Hurry up, get the water out of it.
Out of it?
Yes. Come on.
You might want to do a buoyancy test.
Come on.
You're squishing the cardboard.
I don't care.
Chris, come help us. Here, come grab the front, Chris.
Need to get the water out of it. I'm going to sit on top. Fucking
And
rocks.
and straight up.
You got suction. You got to roll it. Can't pick it straight up.
Maybe the plywood would have been a good idea.
So I'm just going to sit on top of it.
How much water we got in there?
A ton?
A lot, because we let a bunch in thinking, well, that'll help us. We need to get the front down. Alright, now we're back. Now, if you can straddle it, put your preserver on so you can actually float with it. Preserver might keep you in the air. Put this on so you can see what you're doing. That might work.
Can we carry it over the street?
No. That might actually work.
Get me over there. Push.
Alright, ready?
Yeah.
You're thinking.
sinks. Where's the paddle?
Right below you.
No, it's not.
How are we going to deflate this thing?
Where's the paddle?
Right below you.
No, it's not.
No, it's right down there somewhere.
Found it.
This is parking, boys. Where's the light? I'll just put a foot down the ground.
Oh, rocks are really sharp.
I'm not even going to see the finish.
Oh. Oh. Yeah, rocks are really sharp.
Here, Jim, can you get over the side more or something? I'm trying. You guys help me. There, you get back in there. It's kind of heavy.
Menash's finest.
I've been kind of curious, man.
Yeah.
Water in it. Maybe it was too buoyant.
Yeah.
It's too tall.
Just not wide enough.
Oh, I keep wondering why it's not
Yeah,
bending.
what was this?
We got the 2x4 in
You
here.
know what? We made it too square. We should have had more of a bolt design.
Just wasn't wide enough.